Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to cancel an appointment booking order in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and click on Websites. Now, next to the website or the online store that you want to cancel an appointment booking on, click on Manage Store. This way, you will land automatically on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now go to Orders, and here open the appointment booking order that you want to cancel, and click on More Actions and select Cancel Order. Once you cancel an order, it can't be undone. Check this box next to Send Cancellation Email to your customer and hit Cancel on Order. As you see, order cancelled. And this is the email message that your customer will receive regarding the order cancellation. Order number cancelled. And this is how to cancel an appointment booking order in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.